If Outlook is showing error 0X8000Ffff, also known as catastrophic failure, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of a corrupted PST or OST data file, or because your Office installation needs a repair. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve this without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we'll start with the Outlook data file repair because that is one of the most common reasons for this error. Open File Explorer and look for the folder where Microsoft Outlook is installed. Inside that installation folder, you should find a tool called ScanPST.exe. This is the built-in inbox repair tool from Microsoft, and it is designed to check and repair damaged PST files. Once you find ScanPST.exe, double-click it to launch the tool. When it opens, you'll see a field where you can browse for your Outlook data file. If you use a PST file, select that file. If your Outlook account uses an OST file, you may need to locate the correct data file tied to your profile. After selecting the file, click Start to begin the scan. The tool will analyze the file for any corruption or structural issues. If it finds errors, it will give you the option to repair them. Go ahead and run the repair process and let it complete fully. Depending on the size of the file, this can take a few minutes. Once it finishes, reopen Outlook and check whether the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office itself. To do that, open the control panel on your Windows computer. From there, click on Programs, then go into Programs and Features. You'll now see a list of all the installed applications on your system. Find Microsoft Office in that list, then right-click it and choose Change. This opens the Office repair options. Select Quick Repair first because this is the fastest and easiest option and it fixes many common issues without needing an internet connection. Confirm the repair and wait while Windows processes the fix. This part may take some time depending on your computer, so be patient and let it complete. When the repair is finished, restart your computer to make sure the changes are fully applied. After that, open Outlook again and test it. In most cases, one of these two methods will resolve error 0X8000Ffff. If the issue continues, you may need to repeat the repair process or check whether a specific Outlook profile is damaged, but for most users, repairing the data file or running a quick repair on Office is enough to get Outlook working again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.